Hello, good morning, students. I am Dr. Mrs. Jayasri Afre. I am your teacher of optional English. First, I would like to congratulate all of you for getting a success in HSC examination. You are here because of your hard efforts, and I welcome you in this class as you have chosen optional English as your subject. For being the students of English class, you have to know first about literature, their types, definitions, origin, and lot of things related to literature. In fact, you all know about the literature, but you don't have any basic knowledge of literary concepts and terms. In this first lecture, I would like to share with you syllabus which is prescribed by Shivaji University Kolhapur for BA First Optional English. Now, you must know the exam pattern, question paper pattern and books prescribed for the FYBA Optional English paper first. You have to give examinations in 2 semesters. First semester, you have to give the first paper. For second semester, there is a second paper of optional English. For first paper, you have short story as a minor form of a literature for the study. The name of the paper is Modern Indian Writing in English Translation. Since the last year, this paper is prescribed by the Shivaji University Kolhapur according to the guidelines of the UGC. UGC, that means University Grants Commission. You must know about the UGC, about the university, about the government, about the DE, everything you have to know, and the most important thing you must know is the NAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Commission. In schools, there were inspections. Some supervisors came over to the school and tried to test your knowledge. Like that, in senior college also, you have to face some assessment process by NAC and UGC. But we will discuss about that later on. First, we must know about the syllabus prescribed by university for the BA First Optional English. As I have told you that it is a paper in English translation. That means the literature which is prescribed for this paper is not originally written in English by English writers. It is written in various languages of India and then translated in English. So the title is given as English translation. You know various writers of India who wrote in Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, Bengali and various languages. Their writing was very popular and then it was translated into English. For example, I would like to explain to you with the help of Rabindranath Tagore. I am sure that all of you know about the Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is very famous, prolific, all-rounder writer of India. You know that he is known for his Gitanjali and Shanti Niketan. He was a teacher, painter, dramatist, writer, poet, short story writer, and lot of things we know about him. And the most significant thing is that he was the first Indian who was honored with the most prestigious prize, Nobel Prize, which is given to the literary personality. He received this prize for his Gitanjali, which was originally written in Bengali and then translated into English in 1913. So we must be proud of him and his literature. His own literature written in Bengali was translated by him in English. Gitanjali is the best example of such a translated work. For the first semester, for the first paper of optional English, you have to study short stories. Before the studying actual short stories, you must know the short story as a form of a literature. And therefore, in this first introductory lecture, I will try to explain you the term literature only. Before that, you must know the syllabus which is prescribed. For the first term, you have to study various modules. Modules, that means topics. It's not very difficult. Module first is short story as a minor form of literature. Module first is short story as a minor form of literature. So, what is a form? What is a literature? These may be the questions in your mind. We will discuss it later on in detail. Second module is short story as a minor form of literature, but there are some concepts which are explained in this unit, such as elements of a short story, features of a short story, types of a short story, etc. In the third, there were two short stories. First, The Shroud, which is written by Munshi Premchand. As all of you know that Munshi Premchand is a Hindi writer from India. His Kafan is a very famous story which is translated into English entitled The Shroud. The second story you have to study is entitled Lalu, which is written by Sharat Chand Chatterjee, which was written originally in Bengali language and then translated into English. Third story is A Season of No Return, which is written by Gurdayal Singh. Fourth one is a Rebati, which is written by Fakir Mohan Senapati. From names of the writers, all of you must knew that these all belong to the Indian writing. Their original literature is translated into English, sometimes by them, sometimes by other writers, and we have to study that literature. Instead of originally written by English writers, we have to study this year the literature which is written by Indian writers into various languages of India and then translated into English. So these four stories and one form, that is a short story, is for the first term prescribed by university for this paper. Then I would like to explain you this question paper pattern. When we are going to face any exam, first we must know about the examination pattern. It is very helpful to get good marks in examination. When we have a clear ideas about the pattern of a question paper, we can easily understand the specific ways of study. So first I would like to explain you the marking scheme and pattern of question paper. The paper will carry 50 marks, and the first question is rewrite the following sentences choosing the correct alternative from those given with them. This question contains of 10 marks. You will get 2 hours timing for the writing the answers, and you will get 10 objective questions there, and you have to choose the correct alternative from the given alternatives. 4 alternatives will be given for one question. Then the second question will be about the answer the following questions in about 250 to 300 words. It will carry 10 marks. There will be or for that question A and B, and these both questions will be about the short stories. 2 short stories will be taken to be granted for there. Then there will be the third question, that is the answer the following question in about 250 to 300 words. It will also carry 10 marks. Then there will be the two options again about the another short stories or about the literary form as a short story. And the last fourth question will carry 20 marks, and that question will be about the short notes, and you have to write any 4 from the given 6 short notes in about 100 to 150 words each. This is the pattern of university's question paper. As I have explained you that it is very easy. 3 questions of 10 marks will be there and 20 marks will be for the short notes. So 50 marks question paper will be there for the BA part, first semester, first optional English, which has a CBCS pattern. And paper is Modern Indian Writing in English Translations. So everything is clear? I think it is clear. You have to know about the paper, its name, syllabus, question paper pattern, marking scheme, and then only you can understand in detail about the units. So in the next lecture, I will explain you literature and short story as a form of literature. But before that, you must ready yourself to discuss with me about the literature, literary form, its origin, its types, because in school you already have studied various forms of literature such as poetry, one-act play, prose, letters, essays, but you must know to which form of a literature these forms belongs, these subtypes belongs. Short story is also one of the subtypes of a literature. Major forms are only 3. I would like to give you clue. Major forms of literature are 3: drama, poetry, and third one is prose and fiction. Now you have to try on your own at home to know about these 3 forms and their subtypes, and then only we will discuss in the next lecture about the literature, its definitions, its origin, and its types. And now I will tell you about the book which is prescribed by the university, which is edited by Shirish Chindade, and I will show you book. You have to try to get this copy of a book from the senior students. Bye.